Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in product reviews and recommendations.
Today, we're diving into the Lumitronics Red Surface Mount Trailer Taillight, a top contender in the realm of trailer and RV lighting solutions.
This Lumitronics Red Surface Mount Trailer Taillight isn't just any ordinary light for your trailer or RV.
It's crafted with precision and durability in mind, making it one of the best trailer tail light lenses available in the market today.
First off, the design.
It features a combination stop, turn, tail light with an added backup light, all housed in a sturdy black base. The construction is robust, featuring automotive corrosion-resistant bulb sockets and 16-gauge supply and ground wiring.
When it comes to durability, Lumitronics doesn't disappoint.
The all-weather molded plastic housing ensures longevity and protection against corrosion, ideal for outdoor use in varying weather conditions.
One of the standout features is its snap-on replaceable lens and bulbs. This makes maintenance and replacement hassle-free,
ensuring you can keep your trailer or RV lighting in optimal condition without the need for extensive tools or expertise. In terms of brightness, the Lumitronics Red Surface Mount Trailer Taillight delivers up to 106.4 lumens, providing excellent visibility on the road.
Whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating through a campground at night, you can count on this light to keep you safe and visible. Designed specifically for recreational vehicles, trailers, campers, fifth wheels, and motorhomes.
This tail light is versatile and compatible with a wide range of vehicles in the RV community.
So, if you're looking to upgrade your trailer or RV lighting setup, the Lumitronics Red Surface Mount Trailer Taillight should definitely be at the top of your list. Its superior design, durability, and ease of maintenance make it a must-have accessory for any avid traveler or outdoor enthusiast. That wraps up our review of the Lumitronics Red Surface Mount Trailer Taillight. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on products that matter. Until next time, stay safe and happy travels.